Hi there, my name's Connor and I'm a teacher on Team Quizizz. Welcome to our PD library. In this video, I'll introduce you to a new way of teaching on Quizizz using our interactive presentation tool, Lessons. While our quizzes are typically self-paced, lessons are designed to be shared and presented sequentially, either in front of the classroom in a live setting or shared asynchronously for independent review. They basically let you combine any static content you already have in PowerPoint and Google Slides with interactive question types, polls, and more of the gamification features you associate with quizzes. In this video, we'll explore how to create a lesson, see what it's like to present a lesson for your class, and as always, dig into the data Quizizz gives you afterwards. So let's go. As always, I'll start by logging into my account on Quizizz and I'll land right there on my dashboard. While I can create a lesson from scratch by clicking on the Create button, I can also just start exploring some of the millions of existing lessons in the library that have been created by other teachers around the US and around the world. The search bar makes it super easy to filter results to search specifically for lessons associated with whatever topic I'm looking for today. If I find a great lesson in the library, I can hover over it to see a preview, and from there I can decide whether to use it as is or use it as a starting point and customize it for my class. I can also create my own interactive lesson in just a few minutes. The first thing I'll do is click on the big purple button in the top left-hand corner and select a lesson from the dropdown. Now I'll name the lesson and we'll dive into our new lesson editor. We've revamped our editor to let you customize the look and feel of your lessons however you like. When it comes to slides, it's easy to copy and move text around, combine different media like images, video, and audio, and change your colors and formatting options, whatever you need to make it your own. A great new tool we've added is a built-in image search. Now, in addition to importing your own images, you can quickly zap pictures, diagrams, and more into your lesson with a quick search. Now that we've created our first slide, let's explore how to add interactive questions, import presentations you've already made, and teleport in questions created by our teacher community. To do this, click on the Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. Now we'll see a preview of the different question types and default slide formats that we can add. You'll also see options to embed videos as well as external apps and websites if you want to app smash and build them into your lesson. You can also import slides from existing presentations you made in PowerPoint, Google Slides, and more. Finally, if you're looking for some inspiration, you can use Teleport to find a question from our teacher community and zap it into your quiz. A great new update is the ability to bulk teleport so that you can merge sets of questions instead of adding them one by one. Once you've created, imported, and teleported in your slides and interactive questions, you can edit and rearrange them however you like. For example, if you imported in a set of static slides, you could add in polls and questions to check for understanding and gather student feedback between concepts. All right, now let's preview what it's like to use lessons in your classroom with a sample lesson on prepositions. Like our quizzes, lessons can be used live or asynchronously, and we'll focus on the live experience today. It probably goes without saying, but the first thing I'll do is click on Start, and then I'll share my screen with my class, either with a projector or a conferencing tool if I'm still teaching remote. In order to make sure we're supporting every student, we'll also provide the option to mirror all of your content on your screen on student devices, which is especially helpful in the classroom. Just like our quizzes, there are a few easy ways for students to link their devices and participate in your lesson. You can share a code, share a link, whatever's easiest. If not everyone joins on the first slide, they can still hop in along the way. Once you're ready, advance to the first slide or question. Live lessons are presenter-led, so you can pace them however you like and pause for discussion at any point. Each student sees the same slide or question at the same time as everyone else, on their own device and your shared screen. A super exciting new update to lessons is Scribble, which lets you add live annotations anywhere you want. You can draw or highlight anything in your lessons to emphasize and explain. For example, you could underline a specific part of a sentence, circle something on a map or cell biology diagram, or even draw out a math concept visually. We've also added another engagement tool, Spin the Wheel, to make cold calling more fun. At any point in your lesson, you can click on the bottom of your screen and wax nostalgic about The Price is Right for a second before one of your students gets to start their stuff. You can also spin again as many times as you want to. As you explore different question types in your lessons, you'll notice that results are presented immediately within your lesson so they can be used for discussion, in addition to the individualized feedback that students will get on their own devices during and after the lesson. For example, after you present a multiple choice or poll question, you'll immediately see a distribution of how your class answered, so you can pause for discussion. At the end of your lesson, you can view a detailed summary of how your class responded to each question, just like with our quizzes. All of this data will continue to live in your Reports tab on Quizizz, and you can access it whenever you like. You can also share the lesson asynchronously so that your students can review it on their own for extra practice, or catch up if they miss class. All right, I won't assign an exit ticket, but that's it. In this video, we learned how to create a lesson, present it live for your class, and dove into the data and reports you get at the end. Our team is so grateful that you're using Quizizz, and you can reach out to us at any point by email or on our teacher wish list with your ideas at feedback.quizizz.com. Thanks for watching.